Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to my channel CVA Fitness. That's conceive, believe and achieve. So guys, today I was about to begin my workout, and generally as we all guys take pre-workout supplement before the workout to get that extra energy or extra that pump, what we call. So I thought of giving you a review of this product from BSN. It's NO Explode Pre-Igniter 3 and it's a grape flavor. So at the moment I am using this product as a pre-workout. So I thought, why don't I share my views with you guys. So first thing first, it's the company name is BSN. It's a very good company in the supplement brand. We all know that. They always sponsor the top athlete, especially Olympias and all. Ronnie Coleman was one of that time their brand ambassador, and their supplements are actually good. So in India, the New Life are the genuine supplier of this product. So I have got this product from them. So please ensure whenever you buy a supplement, you buy from the genuine distributor, because there are a lot of fake in the market. And the unique thing is they have this something called N-Safe, that badge, where they have this they have some sort of a code which if you want to know whether your product is authenticated or not, you can just SMS this code to that number and they will let you know. So once it is established that you have got a genuine product, so let's move on. What are in the ingredient? So basically it says 1 scoop is 18.5 grams of powder, and this box contains 45 servings, so you can use it for 45 workouts basically. And it has all the vitamin D, vitamin B1, niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium. So basically all the necessary vitamins and minerals what we need, it's present in this workout. And coming on to the proprietary brand, it says that it has 10.4 grams of NO Explode Performance Blend, which has a myogenic matrix of 5.5 grams, and that contains creatine monohydrate and different varieties of creatine. So basically in a pre-workout, what do we look for? We look for energy, we look for some sort of a pump, we look for some focus. So basically we need creatine, caffeine, beta-alanine, arginine. So these are some of the main ingredients what we look into a good pre-workout. So they have the creatine, I can see they have the caffeine also in this, they have the beta-alanine also in this. So they have a good proprietary blend with all the necessary ingredients which we need for a good pre-workout. So as for the packaging is concerned, it's a good package, good box, red color, and the content is also very nice. The ingredient itself is good. Now coming on to the main thing, which is the price. So the price, it is 6,699. So 6,699 rupees. So it's very expensive product. It's not it's not a cheap product to buy. If you compare the pre-workout in the market, we start getting the pre-workout from somewhere around 1,700, 2,000 rupees. So if I compare this with them, this is very expensive product. But if you are looking for some good result, then I would recommend you to go for this product, because in past also I have used this product and I really like it. But one thing remember guys, don't expect any out of the world sort of result from this product, because these are the such supplement. We still need to eat good, we still need to train hard. So without doing that, we are not going to achieve it. So this was my review, and I can also show you the powder. So basically I'm taking the 1 scoop from here. So as you can see, so generally you can mix it with the water. So basis, or if your the flavoring you want, you can add the water. So generally I put around, let's say 300-350 ml of water, not more than that, because after that the taste becomes little diluted. So as you can see, this is the powder. It's a grape flavor. I'm going to just shake it. I would say mixability is good. There is no lumps found when you are trying to mix this thing up. So see, got a good mixture. Taste wise also there is a good taste. I personally like this. It's a little tangy flavor. So it's not that other pre-workout which takes like some chemical. I would give a 10 on 10 on the taste. So the only thing which is concerned is the price. It's little expensive. So that's something you can judge based on your budget. So this was my review for BSN and NA Explode, guys. Hope you like it. So once I have done this, I will be ready for the workout. So hope you like my review. Thank you, guys.